Traffic rules. You write lower, actually not good. Teachers tell you something, stick to that. Stick. First thing is obedience. In Bible verse, obedience is better than sacrifice. You obey to your teacher, your class teacher, your principal, your headmistress. First, don't worry, they're experienced. They know life better than you. First thing. That's a thumb rule, first basic. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಟೀಚರ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಈಗ you have a class, you've done the class work, now you're going back home. Teacher has told you something. What she says? Study what? They'll give you some homework. Then what? Projects. Then then in the classroom what happens normally? Teachers repeat something. What she repeats normally? Huh? No, that is studies. Other than that, continuously they say that. Huh? Oh, very good. What? Lessons. No, not lessons. Listen. Yes or no? Hey, listen. Hey, listen. Yes. Today I showed you, right? And you have to listen. Thumb rule. Obey your teachers. Obey your teachers. Listen to them. Not listen. You ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಬಂದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ Especially girls I've seen. I'm not telling all the girls. They will study well, but they will not tell the other girl to the best friend the answers. Yes or no? Be honest. This is life. They are not your teacher. They will not help you. Your teachers will help you to come up. So, first thing in the class, obey your teachers, be respectful, listen to what they say. You will go very far in your life. You will go very far. If you are not teachable, waste. You teachers have to be teachable. Okay? ಈಗ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ I will tell you what we do in a groups. Your class groups you have to discuss. I'm going to show you something.